Okay, I need your help here. I got in this radio. I think it's some kind of marine radio. And client said it didn't power up. So I did the typical, I did some ohm readings and all of that, and I hooked up the power supply, 12 volts. Downloaded the manual. It said 11 to 16 volts. So I put it on 12 volts. Didn't come on. I was getting a little blip on the meter, 35 milliamps, and but it wouldn't come on. So I opened it up, and the first thing I met with is a little capacitor floating around. So I've got this little MLCC, and I take it off the board and I put it on the side, and then when I turn the case over, this falls out. Now I can't find anything on this chip. Maybe you could look, take a look and see if you can find something. I couldn't find anything. Anything I did wasn't this chip. So we've got that going for us. Not turning on, parts falling out. So I give it a look over and glance, and there's a shield I got to pull out of this thing to look underneath here, and I see nothing missing. I'm scouring the whole board, and I see nothing missing. Now this side was a little different. Let's go back to the scope. So this side, let's get you a little more room here. This side, that capacitor, this side, the capacitor was leaning up against right in this corner, and it was just loose, so I picked the thing out. And I'm looking at all of this, and I'm going, what is going on here? This looks like it's been messed with. This almost looks like where the cap went. And there's no schematics. There's nothing on this thing for the average user. So I go to look up this chip, and I can't find anything on it either. Take a good look. See what you can find. So the curious thing is, so let's go back overhead. So the thing that's got me perplexed is, after I saw all this, I kind of put it back together and powered it up. But when instead of 12 volts, I went 15 volts, and the thing came on and worked great. So my question is, what is this exactly before I take it off? And would this type of MOSFET, I'm assuming, require a higher voltage just to work? Because the 15 volts, even on a boat, is that pushing it for the boat? I mean, are they expecting the battery to always be up at that top level? Anyway, give it a think. Let me know what you come up with.